नमस्ते बिटिया, सदा खुश रहो। Myself Dr. Hemant Vyas, Associate Professor, Head of Department of Surgery, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Today we will discuss about some rare types of hernias. First is incisional hernia. It is also called as ventral hernia. There is defect with patients are obesity, chronic cough, perioperative period, undue abdominal distension and malnutrition, operative, injury to nerves, careless wound closure, hemorrhage infection, tube drainage through laparotomy wound, and midline infraumbilical. Postoperative defects, infection, postoperative cough, distension, postoperative peritonitis, early removal of sutures, and postoperative steroid therapy. Types of incisional hernia: type 1, upper abdomen or midline, lower abdomen, wide gap in musculature, low risk of strangulation. Type 2, lateral part of abdomen, small defect and strangulation risk is high. Treatment: prevention of incisional hernia, weight reduction, correct nutritional defects, and treat chronic cough. Careful closure of abdomen, prevent post-operative wound infection. Conservative management include reducible type 1 and surgical management. Next is lumbar hernia. Superior lumbar hernia and inferior lumbar hernia are some of the rare types of hernias. Incisional lumbar hernia, renal surgery with postoperative infection, paralysis of lumbar muscles, that is phantom hernia, and treatment includes primary hernia, herniorrhaphy, and incisional hernia. Obturator hernia, rare, it is found in old women through obturator foramen. The thigh is flexed, abducted, and externally rotated. Referred pain to knee joint and strangulation required surgery. Spigelian hernia, there is interparietal hernia at level of arcuate line lateral to rectus. Treatment include surgery. Gluteal hernia and sciatic hernia are also rare types of hernias. Conclusion: protrusion of a part of wall of viscous through an abnormal opening in the wall of the cavity that contains it is called as hernia. Inguinal hernia is most frequent and usual mode of treatment is surgical. Thank you. That's it from today's presentation. This session is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with this digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will try to resolve it. Thank you very much.